Our worst fears about AI are coming to life. Actually, scratch that. I'm actually just kidding. AI is here to help us do two things easily than at any point in history: to imagine and to create. And AI is transforming our world just like the Renaissance of the 1300s that sparked a new era in art, in science, and philosophy. But unlike the Renaissance, the tools of creation is at everyone's fingertips, and we're only limited by our knowledge of AI. So Naval Ravikant famously said that wealth is a byproduct of knowledge, and the new wealth will be built on the back of AI. But to tap into this new wealth, you need the right knowledge. And my mission this year is dedicated to helping you gain the knowledge to imagine and to create wealth with AI. So if you're eager to be part of this revolution, then join me as I share everything I learned with you as I'm building AI software and using it to solve real world problems. So follow me, hit that follow button, and I will show you how to imagine and